Okay, so you have a Roblox gift card. How do you redeem it, you ask? I'm going to show you. So flip over the card, and there is the card. And here is where we scratch it off. Now be really careful because we had one where we scratched it off too hard, and then we couldn't see the letters and the numbers. We somehow salvaged it, but just beware. So carefully just scratch this off and get your code. And once you have it all cleared off, go to Roblox on your computer. Here it is on my iMac. So we're already signed in here. So let's log out just to show you guys how to do it. And let's sign in. So sign into your account and put in your username and your password. We have lots of Roblox players here at the house. And then once you are signed in, click the login button. And here we are, we're in Emmy's account. Now the easiest way to redeem the code by Robux, the easiest way to do it actually is just go to the browser and type in Roblox redeem. Boom. There's the page right there, get cards, Roblox. This is the easiest way. And we're gonna put in our code off our card. So type in the code, redeem Roblox codes, enter a virtual item or gift card code below. So carefully type in your code off the back of the card. Click redeem. Now we're already signed into Emmy's account, so this pops up, code successfully redeemed. Convert to Robux, and $1,201 of Robux are going into the account. All right, success. Credit was converted to Robux and added to your balance. Let's go up here, and there, the money is in your account. Have fun, guys. Please give me a like and subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys later. Cheers. Bye.